My name is Yanina. I am from Amsterdam, and I would like to recommend the Institute of Trading, run by Sebastian. Back in time, like a couple of months ago, I first started with a free webinar. During this webinar, I understood the basic of tradings, and yeah, I got a lot of really good insights and like very good things from technical knowledge, understanding vocabulary and the basic of trading, but also things like how important it is to build the right behaviors and what strategies can you do to ensure that when you actually start trading, you are going to be successful and you're not going to lose your money. Through this free webinar, I realized that actually there was so much I could learn from Sebastian, and I decided to take the one-day intensive training that they have. And during this training, I could clear all my questions. So Sebastian was really committed to, answering everything that you need to ensure that you are on track and that you can actually become a successful trader. And that was very, very meaningful for me because before I started this journey, I was feeling totally lost. I had no idea what trading is, apart from, the concept, but very, high level. So I didn't know what tools to use. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know where to invest. I didn't even know, how to build a strategy. I had no idea that such thing as backtesting existed. And now this is clearly one of the main things that I'm using to ensure that, I will be successful in building my own strategy to approach trading. So all in all, from the materials that I got, the knowledge, and then, clearing all my questions, I feel really empowered. And I don't think I could ever had that in any other place. And that's because, Sebastian's commitment to ensuring that his students are very successful. You can really see that for him, this is, passion. And this is really, he's really led by the mission of empowering other people to become financially free. On top of him being very knowledgeable, he also has, so much energy and so much to give for his community. An example of this is that he also builds, these groups with other students. So within these groups, we can always share our strategies and ask our own questions and then share insights. So all of that is very enriching because then you don't feel alone in the process of figuring out how to do trading. I would definitely recommend you follow his trainings because really you will get way more than just one day of training, or, even if you buy his books, you get really a lot of value that you cannot even see. Like, I cannot even explain in words how much it means for me to be part of his community and having his support. So yeah, go ahead, do the free webinar, or if you're already considering, go ahead and take the one-day training. You won't regret it. Bye.